Next up on member profiles, I called Tony Skipper, but maybe I should give that designation to this guy because he actually works for Anoka County SHIP and that program. His name is Cole Hanson. He has been here before, and you are back to talk about exciting opportunities for our business community and the community. One, how have you been? And two, tell us about those community partner awards I've been hearing about.
Well, I've been pretty good, and the community partner awards are a really exciting time for us at the Anoka County SHIP team. They're a fantastic initiative by Anoka County Public Health, all about supporting local organizations, neighborhoods, groups that just want to enhance social connectedness and just improve health across Anoka County.
So that sounds wonderful. What kind of projects have been supported in the past?
Sure. So a lot of the projects range from little things to big things. The creation of resident gardens, for example, or accessible walking paths, projects to improve physical and mental health, well-being, you name it. It's really up to our neighbors and community members to figure out what their community needs. And so our program just goes and kind of gives them the juice to get that done. And I'm going to tell you, a number of folks who've been on this program and others here at QCTV have benefited from this sort of program, and they're more than happy to talk about it. It's a pride of our neighborhood and community to be able to do this sort of thing.
And it should be. So, Cole, there's some folks out there right now going, ooh, I got some interest. So how would they apply, and what's the deadline?
Sure. So anybody can go online to goanokacounty.org and figure out our application process, try to make it nice and easy. Lots of folks and things are not easy. We want to make sure it's nice and easy. And you can also do it by email if you want to do it I don't want to say the hard way, but a different way.
Sure.
We're accepting those applications until March 15th, but their awards are open every spring. So if you missed this one, that's okay. You can always come back next year. And even if you've been a partner before and you've received a partner award before, that doesn't mean you're boxed out this year. You can always come back, either build on a project you started last time or maybe try something new. So there's lots of flexibility on our side.
This is such a great opportunity for community groups to make a difference. Any advice for them looking to apply? Well,
first things first, we're having an application and walkthrough session on March 1st. Just to help people who are thinking about it but not sure, give them a little more detail on what the program is. But realistically, we want people to think creative about how they can make an impact in Anoka County. It doesn't have to be big, doesn't have to be the smallest thing in the world. It's what matters to you and your community, and we want to help you do that. The biggest things that we've seen and some of the most fun, last spring I helped support a local faith community put together some deer fencing for a garden that they use to provide fruits and vegetables to a local food shelf. We've also had some interesting activities come up around accessibility at the parks. So it's really just a matter of what matters to you, what's going to make an impact, and what do you need to do it? And we want to help you get there.
You bet. And I know there's some folks out there that probably maybe going to watch this a little late and go, look, I missed the deadline. Is this the only opportunity for programming and for funding like this through your team?
Absolutely not. Our SHIP educators, myself included, we work year-round on projects like this in various different settings, different parts of the county. We have folks who are just working in our schools. We have folks who work with all of our cities across the county. And if you're a work site or a volunteer organization, you get to speak with a certain educator named Cole Hanson, myself, who's happy to bring resources to bear to help your employees, your volunteers, everybody make the healthy choices easier in their community, and that's year-round. So if you want to look for that information, again, goanokacounty.org is kind of our home online. You can see all the different programs, resources, opportunities we have available year-round.
You know what? Bottom line is thank you for everything that you and your team are doing on this. When you and I first met and I heard about the program, and then subsequently just learning about all of the things that you have brought into play, especially involving so many of our members. Hats off. You guys are doing a great job. I look forward to seeing how some of those positive changes that these awards will bring to the communities. It's going to be exciting stuff. Continue the great job that Anoka County SHIP is doing, and come back and kind of give us an update down the road sometime.
Absolutely, and I just want to say thank you so much. These innovative projects wouldn't happen without our neighbors, and they wouldn't find out about it without folks like you. So I appreciate you sharing all we have.
That's Cole. He is with Anoka County SHIP. You can reach out to Anoka County and find out more information if you are looking for it. All right, we're taking a break, and when we come back, We got some new vets in town, and we're going to talk about it right after this.